Education in the transportation industry is tremendously important as it's continuously changing and evolving. If you're not skilled or educated and continuing to develop yourself, you're going to struggle in this industry as it moves forward.
I chose Centennial College because after my research, I found that it was the most hands-on program with the best teachers.
We are the largest school of transportation in the country, and our facilities are phenomenal.
The amount of training aids, the vehicles, the trade faculty, the lab spaces, that's the difference between Centennial and other colleges.
Everything is in place. We have an amazing selection of tools and product for the students to work on. We have amazing industry support, and the other faculty and the other staff here are all very, very passionate about what they do.
Their reputation throughout the industry has been nothing but perfect. I've managed to work with a lot of Centennial College graduates and found that they were very, very well trained.
We go over and above the call of duty to provide a good classroom setting, excellent lab assignments. We use real equipment for the students to work on and give them real live situations of what they will encounter once they enter the field.
You get to be hands-on with the equipment day one. You get the experience in a classroom setting from guys who have been in the industry for 10, 20, 30 years even, and that knowledge is invaluable.
We have state-of-the-art, actually next-generation equipment that nobody else in the world has.
We have all the tools necessary to work on these machines, so it's a great opportunity to get the knowledge and experience that you need to prepare yourself for the workforce.
There's a real shortage in trades. All major employers are looking for high-quality employees right now.
Centennial students are in demand. In the truck and coach department, on average, we have almost 100% of the students that are graduating are hired within the first month of graduation or leaving school because of the type of students that we put out in the industry.
We actively seek out the co-op programs from Centennial College and hire from those co-op programs as well as the students who've graduated. We just know that the caliber of student that's coming out of Centennial College fits the FAF core values.
Centennial is our largest partnership right now when it comes to the colleges, so it's the right place to be. You get to learn at Centennial what you need to learn. So when you come out, you'll be the most wanted student that you can possibly be.
I can't really compare Centennial students to other students because we've only really hired Centennial students at Canada Post.
The TDC continues to hire students from Centennial College because when they come here, they're eager, they're willing to work, and I know they've been trained at the highest standards possible.
Our students have opportunities in Canada, but right around the world when it comes to choosing their careers. The world is their oyster.